A community potato harvest was held in one of Tingkat Berry Farm's fields on Saturday, October 13th. Volunteers from Crosstown Impact, Brockville Rotary Clubs, Thousand Island Secondary School, Helping Hands crew, and many others helped to harvest potatoes from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This year they harvested 18,000 pounds, which will go to the Brockville Area Food Bank, Loaves and Fishes Brockville, the Pier Church Common Ground, Prescott's South Grenville Food Bank, and Prescott's King's Kitchen. Ritchie's Feed and Seed Center donated the potato sacks, while the tailgate lunch was provided by the Pier Church. For Hometown TV 12 News, Dale Elliott near Spring Valley.